In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app, and here you may first take a photo, or you can hit right there at memories icon to upload some, let's say from a camera roll. I'll select that one, then hit add arrow icon, and it brings me to that page where I can find my 3 shortcuts. And let's say I don't need the last one anymore, and right here I can remove that shortcuts. All I have to do in order to remove a shortcut is right here tap add shortcuts. It shows me up all my 3 shortcuts and it gives me the ability to edit them. And right here I can tap on last shortcut, and there all I have to do is just hit right here at trash icon. It says, would you like to delete this shortcut? I'll tap on yes, delete this shortcut, and right now, as you can see, that shortcut has just been removed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.